Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today we'll be working on the Christmas ornaments. I think it called them crystal balls, but okay. And we're going to be working down here on this ornament here and probably a little bit into this one. I got this from FGNormal and I gotta find, my goodness, my thread. So how's everybody doing? Hope everybody's having a great day and a great week. Yeah. Well, another long, boring day at work. But we got it done. We got out of there. So today I got to go to work from noon to either 5 or 6, depending on how everything goes. So we will see. But yeah, I just thought we haven't worked on this in a while, and I wanted to work on it. Can remember what I did with it, and then I remembered it was right below my feet, as usual. You know, that's where things get to be, and then I can't find them because, you know, I'm right on top of them. Sometimes I'll lay them, like, over here on, there's like a, what do you call it? A storage bin that sits, storage container, if you will, sits right beside my desk here. So if I make a video, then I put it right there. And that way, when Tuesday comes, I know where they're at. Yeah. So, why not? So, what's everybody up to? Are you doing exciting, fun holiday things? Or is that not your bag? Or just, what are you doing? I'm making a knot here. Isn't that exciting? Oh, goodness. Yeah. It has been one cold week. Last night when I left, it was 3 degrees. I mean, it felt like it was 3 degrees. And when I got up, it was like -2. So we've been having really cold weather, no snow. So I'm kind of happy about that in a way because I don't want to have to traipsy around in it, that kind of thing. But it's okay. I've developed this new little technique. If I have to go, I don't know if I can, let me see if I can get you in. Hang on, there's a bag there. Alright. So, if I have to go, like, over to here, I will make it like a half stitch. And then I'll come back and cross it. I know this probably isn't new to anybody. But that way, I don't know how to explain. I don't have to go there twice. Maybe I didn't explain that well. Like, okay, so there's 2 here. Whoops, I'm coming up in the wrong hole. But so I would do half, half, get to here, come back, and then I'll be on this side instead of finished on this side. Because here's where the symbols are. Does that make sense? And I thought maybe it might save a little bit of thread. Because usually I would just make them whole. So, and it really helps out when you're in a big spot. You know, you have a lot of symbols, I don't know, that are kind of jagged, not like a solid thing here. So I'm gonna make So if I have to go up, I'm worst at explaining stuff. So we'll make half. We'll make half. We'll make half. Now we're coming back, so I'll make this a full cross. If I can get it to the thing. Killing me here. There we go. So then we end up back at the same place where we actually started. Now this one I can do full cross. But it just kind of puts you back where you started. So if all the symbols are on this side, then you're right back where you started. Instead of dragging the thread from here to here, you know. So it's a conscious effort that I have to make because I usually just sit down and stitch, not caring where the thread ends up. Get a hold of it. Okay, I'll back you down just a bit. Sometimes it gets so close I just didn't see. So now I've got 3. They're right here, but I want to end up back here. So I'll do half stitch, half stitch, and half stitch. I hope this makes sense. Where are you? So then my next stitch would be over here. But did you see how I went that way and then I turned around, did the crossover, and so when I came back I didn't have to come from this stitch all the way to this stitch and waste that much thread. So just something new I found out on my own, if you will. I guess it makes you pay more attention, I should say, to where your next stitches go. And we don't use so much thread in between. Now sometimes if it's too far, of course I'll just end off the thread and come back. And this, the thread is going to run out, I think, before I get to my last stitch. And sometimes I'll do this, and sometimes I won't, because I won't remember. I know, sad but true. What can I say? But just a little FYI, I guess. Get that, put it there. I love that pink. What color is that? Let's see. Of course, I rolled this all up. It is 602. It's really pretty. Looks like bubblegum pink. Oh, ringing the bells again. Oh, goodness. So I'll be glad when today is done. It will be nice. Get a hold of it. I love this material. It's really a nice material. I just can't get it to get in my hand. There we go. So it's not flapping all over the place. So no grand plans for this weekend because my daughter and my son-in-law are both sick. So I guess we're not having our tea party. We might go, I don't know if we will do it in masks or if we just will wait until next weekend for Christmas Eve, or the kids are off all week. So we might be able to do it on Friday, if you will. A piece of fuzz. I haven't worked on this in probably a couple of weeks. But that's okay. We weren't planning on finishing it this year at all. I will put them in a storage container, keep all the Christmas stitches together. Shoot, we might get it out for Christmas in July. Who knows? Who knows? This has got about 15 colors in it, but I thought I'd pick the pink. This little ball, there I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, perhaps 7 or 8 colors in it. I had to look what I was stitching. I can talk and stitch at the same time, but some days I'm not paying attention. I did on one of them that I was working on, I did the total wrong symbol. And yeah, I had to take that out. That was exciting. I usually don't make too many mistakes on the stamped ones. It's my counted ones that I have the worst problem with. I can make a mistake like nobody's business. It's that counting thing. Oh my goodness. Especially on 28 count. I haven't done that in a while. So I might get that out this weekend. Not real sure. Gotta work on my gnomes again. Try to get more of that black done, because the colored part really won't take all that. You know, the gnomes themselves. Did we finish that part? Okay. But I'd like to finish it for Christmas, but I don't know. And of course I'll be working on my gingerbread house, so I like it. It's cute. But yeah, I just kind of hit a brick wall and went, okay, let's do something else. So I usually reserve the diamond painting for after I've stuck myself in my fingers so many times I can't handle it. So I have to do some diamond painting where there's no pressure on my fingers. And my hands don't hurt from stitching. I don't stitch that hard or that fast. I'm trying to figure out where this all starts here. Oh, phooey. Crap. I came up the wrong hole. And sometimes I forget which direction I'm supposed to be stitching. Oh, goodness. Some days. Whoop. Ah! See what I mean? It doesn't flow as easy as, what do you call it? Just straight sewing stitch. Because like I said, I'm thinking too hard about it. And then we're going to just give it a quarter turn and come back and cross all these. But I think in the long run it will save some kind of thread. I forgot. Except for when you miss one. Oh my goodness. Maybe this wasn't a good idea. Oh Lord. I had an idea. There we go. Hang on. So I haven't had any mail in the past couple of days. It's been kind of quiet. And that's okay too. Next week ought to be a real free-for-all, because it'll be the last week before Christmas. Yay! Do have to get the tree out this weekend, I think. And get that all put together so that I don't have to do that next week. I just gotta find everything. I rearranged that room and not real sure about where everything is. I know where the tree is. It's already got the lights on it, thank goodness. But there is a box of ornaments, probably 2 or 3 boxes of stuff. So, we'll see. We will see how much ambition I got this weekend. Alright guys, I know, it doesn't look like much, but it took us a hot moment to get there, didn't it? Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.